Stop back going before it late for my life. I found you. Love you. Tell her that is I. Mm-hmm. What happened? You wanna come look for me? Or me come look for you? Well, it's the 22nd of April. So I know that go beach splash. I'm not glad to the house of the beach. Look. That's the beach over there. Beach splash. A little pool that I saw. What? Daylight out, you know? After 6. You see that number one wife you want? Watch England and wake up. Nice, man. It's lovely. It's real. Good morning. The view nice. Jesus Christ, if life's sweet one more time, can't do nothing more than give God thanks. I take plane like taxi. Life that if you live in a baby. If you want to take plane, you want to take bingo, you want to gamble, you want to buy food, you want to buy house, you want to fix up car. It's whatever you like. Ain't it? Everybody does something different with their money. Who want to do hairstyle every day and afraid to look like this. So everybody do what they want to do with their own money. So if you want to take plane like taxi, you can. It's a mindset. It's everybody fancy don't. This is so beautiful. What a lovely garden. Look, it's beautiful. You see that? Nice. I can't tell you, Rachel, they're traveling on tourism. And Rachel study, mosquitoes. Rachel study the world and plan for the world. Every time I come to Jamaica, I say, Rush, come with me. Oh, Mom, I'm not ready yet, Mom. I'm gathering up. See, she did and gone and I reach back. Enough of the place that my men are planned. So I'm just living, just making the best of life, no matter what. This is so beautiful. I just want to see the sun view there. Oh my God, we're whoop whoop! Nicey. I'm doing the light out properly. I'm going to next view. Why the mosquito them bad man? The mosquito don't know I'm going to look confused. Yeah, look at the lovely view. This is so nice. You know when you wake up in the morning and see all the nice little atmosphere, it's a lot to give God thanks, sir. May I make us see our next view? It's Rio. And this one is in Ocho Rios. Yeah, North Coast setting. Under North. Oh my God, look at the sea. Whoop, whoop. Jesus Christ, I'm excited over the sea. Every time I see the sea, it come like the first time. Oh my God, look at that right crazy. What a lovely view. Beautiful, isn't it? Jesus. Wow, beautifully, man. Lord. Look up on the hills. That's up on the hills. See the house up there. Nice. See the nice, pretty ocean there? Such a nice house, them big house up on the hills. Beautiful. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. Smile a while and give your face a rest. Raise your hands and give God thanks for life. Then shake hands with Creed Lady. Oh my God, this is all Mother Nature. You know, I'm there upstairs, 4th floor, right up at the penthouse setting. Nice. Royalty, look. Beautiful. Oh my God. Right, crazy? Life is so living and life short. What you can do today, don't wait for tomorrow. Because no pain, no gain. And if you have to sit down and wait till everything be okay, to make the best of life, it might just go wrong. So make it right when it's possible. Don't wait and what you don't see. My husband still not out. Husband! I saw my wake early, you know. Me just a routine person. No matter how I go bed around, maybe after 2, but I'm excited. Woo! I'm excited for life. And the trees. Oh my God, the birds. It's just nice. Look. Watch a little house over there, sir. Nice, man. Beautiful. Watch them big house up there, sir. Is who some dashing away? So if me the dashing away, my other day, so we don't know. It's just that I can't, I just cannot be common. I have to be popular, but not common. So, watch out now, so nice, I believe. Watch my room number, 31 Connect. Let me last again. Okay. 31. And I see that way they make me show now. And I know what tree I'm lucky number, don't. What did I do? What am I living for? It's not for you. You just answer that, innit? 31 Connect. Our husband said 3-piece 31 Connect. And they married with him at 31 and they married for him 31 birthday. 31, 3 is my lucky. No, Bob. Hey, let me make it to the next view. Coming on, we got the people. Morning. What, when I wake you? I heard the door. Good face. Wakey, wakey, husband. Lord, kufarin. So, ladies and gentlemen, I don't see if another come on. I so love that girl. I'm going to take some picture and I'm going to reach down there yet, you know. I know I'm going to reach down there. It's cute, isn't it? It's different. And guess what? Every hotel I go, a white towel them have. Ethereal, brown towel. Make a difference in it. Fluffy cocks in here, come a Jamaica girl, come make your bumper roll. Make your bumper roll. Make your bumper roll. Make your bumper roll out of control. Ooh, me shape good, look good, one man goody good. Ooh, booklet. I'm going to get my hair done in a bit. As you know, today is beach splash. Come splash it up. DJ Stella, you still there? Yeah, this is a lovely hotel. Yeah, me tell you something, I can't wait for see the view. Couldn't wait for daylight. See the nice view there? Yeah. See it? DJ Styler is still in Jamaica. Granny raising, man. I the pretty see him want to see me. So I'm gonna go chuck off for love. Just I got jump and do it. I said, pick up. Anyway, right, crazies. I know later will be greater. It's Palm Beach, Ocho Rios. Beach splash. Ladies gonna come out sexy. The boy them come out in them shorts and them towel and them slippers. Whoop, whoop. Whatever is clever. Just come out, come support the thing, okay? It's a launch, so yes, God bless. So the nigga later will be greater. Later will be greater. Hey, Ocho Rios, later will be. That's clear. I add plus tax down here. Man, I forgot to take off a long sleeve shot for you know, because they're light, you know. So I carve on them long sleeve something, and if I have a little spaghetti strap, I'm a little cool method then. It's J. Hey, my dear. Okay, crazies? I'm going to take care of myself. Ready? Please go live. Then I'm not live, I'm not live now. Please go live when may I perform? I can't. No, sir, I don't have no time for that. No, it's too much. My pass them stage, baby. It takes a lot, you know. Trust me. I told my miss why I'm there, so I talk to you now. Because I need to concentrate on my hair. Forget dull up. Me's a hot girl, top girl. Ready, bro? What, my girl? When you come to Jamaica, June, July, August, September, well, girl, may enjoy Jamaica for me, yeah. Our DJ style, I say. Oh, I'm not going to the dining area nor nothing yet. The amount of people who bomb rushed me last night, I think them booked me a rate to backside. People, hey, what do you put them name? Old Harbour High School. Old Harbour High School. Them wear green and yellow. Oh my God. One bus load of school last yesterday. Me say me never trying to backside the people they push me down. The way they run 7 of them are run for come catch me. When me look me see one next 10, when me look me see one next 15, when me look pick me. Say boom. God bless the Queen though. I'm nice, good energy. I'm loved by the world, you know. Only people just get up and love me for free just to be myself. Nice energy, man. Nice. I want to know me talk more and cry. Nice, you know, if you say, the young guys, I'm going back. Oh, Queenie, you're pretty and nice in real life. Queenie, you're nice. I watch you, my mother love you, Queen. And it just, you know, beautiful. Just first stay true to yourself and be real to see the acknowledgement. You know, nobody can stop it, you know. My energy is contagious. Trust me to Almighty God. I'm going to say the girl them nearly bumps me down. I said, Jesus Christ, I said, the pin of them bad arms strong. It's so nice, you know, then you have somebody one side. I said, Queenie is nobody. But you have 1 million somebody that take me for somebody. And it's nice to see me come home and them appreciate me. I saw some big man, well, older than me, some big man. Just to be myself, you know, then to say me not give a fuck. I'm crazy, never lazy, I'm cantankerous, because anybody trouble me. But, you know what the good thing about it? I'm real to me. And it amazes me for so much people love me, you know, no matter what. When we see the bus load of kids in them, if I want a school name, them say, all over I. I mean, I say, this is amazing. I'm sorry, somebody never even did that video, but that's in my heart. I said the people them running, them are running, the way them are run around 7 of them, you know. When them charging, I mean, I have to stand up strong, you know. I mean, I said them something take so much energy. Different people, aura, different people's spirit, you know. But it's the love, it is contagious and it's natural. And no bomber world can stop me. So I'm booking them on a go. The world love me for me be myself. And the world want me to spread my wings, you know? I saw my daughter. Oh man. You know, it's so fucking hurt. For see me, I wish I still talk about all of them nice time. Rachel was the one with the traveling and tourism. Traveling. Mom, we're going to go there. Mom, we're going to go there. You know? But all is not lost. Every time I slump on a toilet, I remember my daughter. Every time I see the beach and a coconut tree, I don't know when I do. Sometimes I remember I just smile and the next time I just take a toll and I just cry. And just feel sorry for myself, so I'm pretty nice that. But Rush, I know you watch me. Yeah, man. Hey, when Rachel did, you know, enough people, you know, I'm fretting on my heart and I say, oh, mega cope. You know, my fret, nobody don't know, I'm alone and God. Because I'm so happy-go-lucky and crazy. You know, my word about Rachel when she did that, I said, oh, me, Queenie, I got cope. I'm a cope. Remember them say, Rachel, I got break after she bury. I said, no, I'm not going to break it. I'm going to stand firm and make my pin proud. I mean, every time the placket in the room of Mark Rachel, every time the H drop down and do it, say, Rachel, happy to the H drop down. Out of all of the letters, and the H alone always drop. So, I just say that to feel better about myself. I say the H stand for happy. Yeah, man. All of them look at something. Because Five years ago for Rachel's 30th birthday. I'm going to go. She go to Mexico. Then her and her dad. I mean, I tell her, say, Rachel come like she was a tour guide in Mexico. And she carry all of the famous place them, you know. And she book everything and know everything. She says, you know, when I travel the world, beat me, you know, man. It drug me and drape me, you know, man. The heart broke me up. Yeah, fuck. I always say every time I look on them, the flowers, Rachel are the only picnic with me about 5 of them. Rachel is the only child pick flowers and bring to me. And I do the same. You think if Rachel is there, so no, me and her did have to down so I take picture. Me and her did have to in the pool. Me and her take 200 pictures for her. She said, Mom, you know I take that time, Mom, you're too speedy. Take them over back. You know? Watch a ship there. Watch a little ship there. Let me show you a little ship. I miss my picnic, man. A ship or a boat. You saw me there, I enjoy my holiday. You saw me there. Anytime I say them, look at something stick me in my heart. God know, you know, but me know when I get over and show the every minute, ever so often, me happy and then me just get fucking sad and crazy and never lazy and break down, you know. All this now. Nobody would get up with me in the early morning but Rachel now for this water. Rachel love water, she love trees, anything to do with Mother Nature, you know. Me and her there at Jamaica. And the flowers, she say, from she lick a bit, she put them car come get. You know, Ace, big up my grandbaby Ace. Oh, I'm Jamie. You know, Ace, I think Ace kind of take up a Rachel role, you know. You know, Ace love bring flowers, come give me. Why my 2 grandbaby, them nice and frig. Them mother band. Mom, do not put my kids on your page. Do not put me. It's all right, girl. Poor me, Queen. I'm going to be the take them to art to backside, but just box. Anyway, right, crazy. I have my song them out. You know, so that me did want to know some more of all. I have my song them out bumper. Girl, what happened? Rachel play a great role in my life. Me I telling us every time I go to toilet, I remember Rachel because when she sick and she couldn't shit. And that's the God Almighty truth, you know. Miss what it is to wake up. And just to can't go fucking toilet, you know. That alone is a gratitude enough for wake up and can't eat enough crazy, you know. You know, sometimes I see people chat me and I say, if you never know me excited about life, I appreciate life. Yeah, man, all them look at something. It's a toll on me. If I'm in the fucking bathroom, I'm from a slump on the toilet, I remember Rachel, I said, Jesus Christ, come and that I couldn't shit. You know? So, I just appreciate life. I don't have to appreciate me, you know. Appreciating a fucking self and a life. If I'm not broke, still appreciate it. If I'm in a can shit. Morning. Blessing. Me, I'm a cry self. Yeah, man. No matter how I see me up on holiday, it still rip me, nobody rip me. Jesus Christ. No, sir. Yes, crazies. Me and my RoRo, man. Me and my RoRo. Russian holiday girl and hotel and cruising and you know, all of them because I can never forget her. But even though I'm happy and I get on with life, I can't afford to break down. I have to make you proud of me. No matter what, you know. Anytime I come to Jamaica, you know, it's crazy, like. Rachel come here for very scary. When you can class me over my eye water or my wiper. Because of the blood clotting and make me problem. I'm not allow me dirty blood clot. Or some stay anyway, I stay, some stay. You know, every time I come here, man. Jamaica, I think Rachel's so obsessed with our little Jamaica. And the nature of Jamaica, how I'm excited, you know. If me I buy one jelly, I buy it for Rachel. If me I eat a jackfruit, I eat it for Rachel. And no matter what, it just don't make it no better because tomorrow we're going to feel just the fucking same or worse. And if I just get up and say, crazy! My pussy blood clot. And tomorrow I'm going to see me a ball for my daughter again. And the next time I just happy and get her with it. Remember when my Rochelle and Scary dead in the man, Rochelle come down for bury Scary. Just 2 weeks before I beat my husband. And me and Rochelle, oh my God, me and Rochelle cuss over the picture of them. She cuss about the lipstick when I put her good. She said, Mommy, you're too speedy. I sent her my girl, calm down, you know. All of them little things. When the pity dead, me I said, you know, oh, me I go cope, because Rachel was like my mother, my best friend, you know. But still God make me cope then. I'm a add plus blood clot tax. I know that sweet my pitney. I must know say she proud of me because me and Rachel sit down all long. I say Rachel for when me want married. So I know my daughter glad say I'm married. She says I go through my struggle with my murder. I still turn up in it for me because that my sign for. She's supposed to laugh and say, God bless my mom. I know you're proud of me, Rush. I may get the Grammy. Plus, me in a movie, so I have an Oscar. But I'm crazy when I go and big up on myself. Because I get a fresh wake up my husband and tour, you know. Go on a little good tour, okay? I just wanted to share the little morning devotion with you know. RoRo, I'm going to drink our next jelly fair today again. Yeah, man, we shall have my flowers, girl. R.I.P. RoRo. Don't matter how you see mommy, I jump on a around. Remember, you're lodging on my heart, little girl. Jamie, what happened? Jamie, when me come off our live and something, may you link up. What happened, nephew? May I summon something for the anyway, right, crazies. I'm going to get later on to take care. I'm going to piece more of the view. That. RoRo. That lovely water, baby. RoRo. RoRo. Oh, God, my pitney. Oh, God, my pitney. You see? Yeah, man, when my beard, I go fresh up and hit the road, and then I go to look bring in. Number one wife, what happened? You know, if I want me saw wait for daylight, if she showed her this, I'm just excited over everything that come across the eyes. Because right now, I feel like I own a little platter. Nice you, man. I don't know if you come here already. Now, first me come here, and I really appreciate this flowers garden. Okay? It's nice. You only just joined. It's Rio in Ocho Rios. Yeah? But me now like them garden work sick. Nice, don't? It's very palatable. Yeah, man, if I come here yesterday and see this, my skin a itch me. I say, I can't. I'm my mother first because I say, Mommy, I have a nice garden because my mother love flowers like myself and Rochelle. I say, Mommy, one nice garden. I go down there and take picture and something. So I go and take care of myself. I need to go get breakfast and the whole shebang, okay? So later will be greater. Number one, right? So, you just tell her what. Stella, where are you?
You,
How much somebody may add?
who's that Queenie?
I don't know. I don't know where my finger fearing. Finger fearing. I'm a finger touch them.
Take off
Hello,
that
sir.
person. They're
Morning.
making, I can't hear them. They're making noise.
Hello, somebody. Them not pay me no mind. Let me cut them
Yeah,
off.
take off them. Take off them. Queenie, Queenie.
Oh,
I've left Jamaica now. I'm back in the freezer now.
you're right.
But
It's still a cold over there. Still cold.
yeah, it's still cold because I just left Jamaica in it, so my body's still on that temperature. But yeah, I was staying in that hotel room. It was so nice, Queenie, man. So nice, man.
I'm a friend like I first. I come hotel. Me now like love Queen.
No,
Everywhere
but
I go.
that one there is special. That one has a special place in my heart, man. That one there is so nice. As you said, the artwork on the garden, how they carve out the flowers and everything like that.
It's
Yeah,
beautiful.
yeah. I
It
love
is
it, man.
beautiful. And guess the next thing will fascinate me.
Yeah,
All of the hotel them have brown towel, white towel.
yeah. Oh yeah, that one that got yeah. Show them.
For them towels.
Yeah.
Husband, morning. You're there for holiday, wake up.
3 piece.
Brown
Yeah.
towel. See?
Yeah.
Yeah, for them
Different,
towel brown.
different.
And I
Yeah,
said, what? Look how much place me go all over the
yeah,
world.
yeah.
I'm
For real.
go couple of different places. And this just make a difference. And you know brown is my favorite color. Is one
Yeah.
off. So
So
style like
Queenie.
banana box. So England
So,
still cool?
yeah, still cold, man. So Queenie, the show is that Pearly Beach, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. I have some friends that are gonna be coming down there. I have some friends from Portland. They drove into Ochi yesterday. They come into the show just to see you specifically. So
Hey, I
yeah, man.
want
I
to
hope.
do it English there. And
Yeah,
because
loads,
the whole
loads
of
of them.
England there, man.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it's nice
So
though.
yeah, man. So
So
they're looking forward for you at the show. What is it? A day? Is it a day thing or is it a
it
late
start
party?
from 5 till 3.
Okay,
So you know,
okay,
it's an
okay.
evening
Yeah,
slash night,
yeah.
early morning.
I
Yeah, it's
wish we
gonna
could have
be
did it, man. A show, nice, man. And some big artists on the show as well. I saw the flyer.
yeah.
Yeah,
It's gonna
man.
be crazy.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
I
But
got
me
sick, man.
make your pardon.
Nah, I'm saying it's gonna be sick. I wish I was there. I wish I was there. It's gonna be sick.
Yeah, man. Me never know
Yeah.
you cut out so quick. But you know, time that wait for nobody. We have to work with the movement.
Trust
So
me, trust me,
however
trust me.
the
But
movement go, we just
yeah,
work with it. Work where work on a chicken right with your
yeah, man. But go and
yeah.
make up yourself. Go and make up yourself, Queen. And I hope you have a good day. I'm looking forward to you going live again later
Yeah.
when you show us the place. Yeah, man. Make sure you go live again when you're having your food and them thing there. We want to see what going. Isn't it?
All right, then I
Yeah.
will.
All right.
Blessed love.
Then.
Love you,
Yeah.
Star. I said
Yeah,
to
man. Take
Ashley,
care.
yeah?
Yeah. She's sleeping at the moment. She's
All right, then.
resting. All
Blessed
right.
love.
Take care. Yeah,
Bye.
man.
Yeah. Uh-huh. That's my friend. You just tell her. Anyway, right, because when I go zero down my time, I have trouble with my husband now. I'm not in trouble him, I make him trouble my back, make her ear. Mike Kwame, hello, Music Martin, how are you? You're weird. You know me for call you last night? But don't mind me. Busy like a bee. Watch a little boat there out at sea. All who now come out real, make me go to some of my real view. May I share with you now? Look. Mike, you mash up. What you been doing, Michael? Mr. Martin? All right, crazy. I'm not going now, no, man. I see something me I show you over and over again. Come stay in the room. And I know I'm out loud, but I don't care. God made me like this. I like my loud mouth. So I'm going to jump on my husband now. Wake him up with my excited, frightened self as he know who me is. And later on, you just put your phone on notification and I will let you enjoy some of the lovely Mother Nature, Ocho Rios, Rio. Okay? Blessed love. Me not go breakfast yet at all them something, so now go and kick back. Okay? All right, baby. Now take care. Bless up. Bye now. Jesus. It not end? Anybody want me to call to, I call to, don't know. Bye.